How does the court use an A-B list to divide property? So you have all of this personal property, clothing, furniture, appliances. How do you actually get that divided? Well, you and your spouse can actually, come to an agreement. You can write out lists and say, well, I'm going to take the tools and I'm going to take this and this is the furniture I'm going to take and you're going to take the lawn equipment. So you can do that. But what if you can't agree? Well, our courts have a very good way of doing it. We call it the A-B list, and I think they learned it from kindergarten or from our parents. And it's how you would divide a cookie. If you and your brother had a cookie, what would your parents do? And you had to share it. They would have one divide it, and then the other one that didn't divide it gets to choose which side they want. And that's how our courts do it. What they do is they'll have one spouse do an A and a B list. Write out all the property that should go on the A list, write out the property they want to go on the B list, but then your spouse gets to choose which list they want. So what does that force you to do? Is that forces you to do an equal list. You're going to do just good things on the A list and bad things on the B list, then your spouse is going to choose the A list. So what you're going to do is you're going to put some of the things you want on the A list, some of the things your spouse wants on the B list, and then filter it in. And what you're hoping is that your spouse will choose the B list and you'll choose the A list. But when doing this, the court is ensuring that someone is going to create a balanced list because they don't want their spouse to choose the better list. And that's how the court divides personal property with an A-B list if spouses can't do it themselves.